So, hey folks, Mr. McStache, we are in Port Dover, Ontario, Canada.
Yep.
It is Friday the 13th. Supposedly this is the biggest one-day motorcycle event anywhere. So we're going to walk around, see what it's all about.
Oh, you didn't know?
Patches aren't allowed, so we'll see a few colors. I'm sure we'll. Hey, big Woodstock, there's one. So we found a couple of Ohio bikes. Underground Gorge, North Coast, Devil, Triple Nickel, hey, there it is. 66, they've been around a little bit. But no, we wanted to film these Ohio bikes, you can tell. Now, you guys know you got to claim that meat when you cross the border, right? So, gonna do your name, your channel. Oh yeah, I don't have it. Name, channel, where you from?
My name's Wayne. Jarvis Biker's my channel. I live in Jarvis, Ontario, like 8 minutes that way.
That's why we're here with him.
But he's here with me.
He knows the easy way to get in and out.
Yeah, we know the way of. Because there's too many damn people.
Oh my goodness, this is, yeah. Hey folks, I'm here with, hey Richard.
Hey!
We're going to do, where are you from? What do you ride? And what's your channel? That's what it is.
So, I ride a Kawasaki Voyager. I'm from Listowel, Ontario. My channel is Hey Richard 2023. And, wow, is it nuts down here or what?
This was like crazy. It's like big
Just
crazy.
a little crazy. Oh, look, it's Ellie.
Oh look, it's Ellie, and that's, oh look, it's Ellie.
Oh, look, it's Ellie, yeah.
So, and she's with Richard most of the time. Sometimes
A
she
very common
thinks
feature
better.
in my videos because she likes me.
Here we go, folks. Another couple of Ohio's. Uh-oh. And it's an Army guy. I may have to look him up. Okay, so real quick, what's your name, where you from, and what you ride?
It's a secret.
Okay.
No, it's Trike here from just south of Vancouver, BC, on the west coast of Canada.
And you ride a
15 or 16 road glide.
16 road glide. No, if the wore out 16 road glide, but
It's been well used.
hey. So hey folks, I'm here. We want to know what's your channel, what's your ride, and where you from?
Well, I'm Superman Kev, and I'm from
Listowel, Ontario, and I ride a electric glide.
Electric glide.
Yeah, electric glide.
Okay, as long as it's not a moped.
Not a moped, it's an
You
electric glide.
hesitated there. I was worried. I mean, we had the Cowie a minute ago.
I know, but I had to remember.
Hey folks, Mr. McStache, and while I'm here in Gotham, I was going to get Batman to help me close this one out, but I keep getting the cold shoulder. Check on a buddy, love on your family, and when you get back out there, keep it rubber side down, folks. We'll see you the next one.